this is the pool. Got a little table, pool table. Oh, that's cute. I'm getting in this nasty water just to show y'all. I'm not going out of the way though, because it's already gonna touch my short. But
it's far better than that.
I'll show y'all the gym. I showed this in my last, like, when I was shopping for apartments, but I'm gonna just show y'all again. Y'all, this is the volleyball court. Well, beach, maybe, I guess. I want to show y'all the gym. I'm home. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm home. Is this my new living room? I'm just saying, but yes, this is the living room. That's Kayla screaming in the back. I'm gonna smell it. Yes. It's not much, and the light isn't on for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's enough for now. We still getting stuff together, but for the moment, well, let me show y'all. Okay, this is the kitchen. That's my roommate's, my other roommate's room. How you do this? I'll just show you. This is the balcony. Another pantry. There's not really nothing in here. Let me show you. This is the washing machine, the dryer, and what y'all is trash. What y'all have been waiting on. My room. Okay. What you all been waiting on? This is Kayla's room. Alicia's room. This is my bed. I got this comforter from Kohl's in the same satin sheets from Kohl's. And I got these 3 pillows in the front from Turkey. I'm not sure where these came from. And these black pillows came with the comforter. That's just snacks down here. This is all just, I got this mirror from Walmart. These are the things I DIY. They came out really cute. Yes. But yeah, I just got that vase and those flowers from Walmart. Got this little necklace holder from Hobby Lobby. Got this little mirror thing from Hobby Lobby. And like I said, I think I already told you where I got what I did with these and where I got them from. So yeah, I wanna see like that lamp. My mom spray painted it and stuff. Yeah, I just got the this top part from Walmart. So yeah. I got this little mirror thing from Hobby Lobby. This little thing from Hobby Lobby. This from Hobby Lobby. This came from Walmart. And the bar came from Walmart. Let's close the door. Yes. My bulletin board. I gotta put more stuff in here. So for all my friends who see themselves on it, don't even start, cause you know my friends, you know, maybe if they feelings about every little thing. No offense. This shoot. Okay, y'all, this the getaways. But this is my little pink theme. Then I have a black light. I bought, cause I just went to Walmart, I bought green, blue, and the black one. And the black one is basically purple. I wanted pink, but I'm probably probably have to buy pink online. So I was like, purple. Okay, I'm having malfunctions. But this is basically what this light looks like. I'm about to turn off the lights to see y'all can see it better. Oh shoot. So yeah. Shoot. Okay, let me relax. These two lights. I got the lips from Hobby Lobby. And I got the purple light from Walmart. So yeah, I feel like it just gives like a little cool feel to in my opinion. And now for the bathroom. I hate that noise. I'm gonna have to scream. But I got this rug from Marshalls or Target, either or. I got the seat cover from Walmart. I got this. I don't remember. I got the shower curtain from the same place. I got the this pink rug. So if it was from Walmart or Target, I really don't remember. These are just some towels. I got the towels from Walmart and my auntie sewed that on it. And then that's the tea I did. Got it from Walmart, put Mod Podge and glitter on it. There's this, just more decorations. These two DIY. Yeah, there's just this stuff. I mean, it's nothing extravagant, but it's cute. Yeah. Oh, if you need, I got this stuff over here, stuff you need just to have it, you know, on standby. You feel me? And then this mirror. And I'm gonna show y'all the mirror I already had a mirror, but it was like this. Where is it? It was like these. But it was a little big, long mirror. And the whole thing cracks. Like, I'm about to show y'all. Insert picture here. But yes, guys, this is basically everything. Basically, my whole dorm apartment. I told you guys where I got everything. If y'all want to see some DIYs or see how I did, like, the picture frames like this or that. I mean, it's simple. Everything is so simple, you know? So, yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and watch out for my next video.